SpotnWash. SpotnWash is a laundry business management app. One app to control the entire activity. The customer has an app to give orders for washing, tracking the washing service. On logging in, the customer app allows to mark the location for the pickup of clothes. The service provider app allows them to enter the online or offline status. Manage category allows to enter the type of service provided, like wash and fold, house cleaning and cleaning. Under my availability option, select the day of working and time for providing service. Turn the status online. The dropping location is selected. The customer must enter the address to collect the washing materials. Dropping location is selected. The quantity of the clothes is mentioned. Pickup date and time is also given. And click Book Now button. Request is generated. The service provider receives the notifications and selects to accept the order action. The customer receives the notification that the job has been accepted. The service provider starts towards the customer and is tracked on the map. The customer receives a notification that someone will be there for collecting the order. Where is my laundry option helps in finding the job status of the order. The service provider updates the status you has picked up. After completion, ready to deliver option is picked. Service providers enter the cost for the service and give any description if needed. The customer views the cost of the order. An option for the tips is also available. The service provider requests the payment. The bill is generated with a detailed list to the customer. Feedback form appears to the customer, like laundry service, quality, and overall ratings for the service provider. Mode of payment is selected if you select the card and enter the card's details. Message for payment confirmation is shown for the customer and service providers. The customer enters the ratings for service and service providers. Work history shows the service histories. Service providers can also check the history. The bill history option shows the payment details. Our products. Thanks for watching the video.